Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. Here I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode on Android 9 Pie devices. Go to Setting, tap on Sound, tap on Do Not Disturb. By default, turn off Do Not Disturb modes. Here you can see different settings: calls, SMS, restriction, notification, default duration. Also set a schedule to automatically turn on Do Not Disturb mode. Tap on calls. Here you can see setting for calls. When turn on Do Not Disturb mode, it will mute all sounds and vibration for incoming notification and other settings. Also change setting for SMS, MMS and any other setting. Allow text message. Select from the list you want to allow text message. Also choose individually contact to allow message on notification in your device. Here you can see different settings when Do Not Disturb is turn on in your device for call, text message, alarm, media sound, reminder. You can change your setting using this in your Android Pie devices. Also restrict notification. By default, no sound from notification. Tap on setting icon. Here you can tick mark the option for custom restriction in your Android Pie devices. When notification arrive, your phone won't make a sound or vibrate when enable Do Not Disturb mode in your device. Also set a default duration to automatically activate a Do Not Disturb mode in your device. Set schedule time. Here you can set a sleeping event you want in your device. Day, start time, end time, alarm. It's quite easy to enable Do Not Disturb mode and use in your device to mute all notification when you meeting personal place any other. It's quite easy to use Do Not Disturb on Android 9 Pie. Please like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to get more tips.